FDA Delays in Resumption of Inspection. The FDA has announced that the agency is adjusting its planned inspection activity to the developing COVID-19 pandemic and the spread of Omicron variant. The agency has therefore temporarily postponed certain inspection activities in the hope of resuming them as soon as possible. The FDA will continue to conduct so-called mission-critical inspection in the US and abroad, but will reassess the plan to do so as needed. The agency is also postponing the plan for surveillance inspection abroad, which were supposed to begin in February 22. In doing so, the FDA will continue its type of remote foreign supplier verification program activities to maintain surveillance of food, drug, medical device and tobacco product. Last year, FDA published a guideline for industry that addressed the issue. However, those who hope that this would enable the FDA to carry out remote evaluation with the same or comparable significance of an on-site inspection were deceived. Even the title Remote Interactive Evaluation avoid the word inspection or audit. A footnote explained that this remote evaluation do not meet the legal definition of an inspection. Ultimately, such a remote evaluation serves as a supplement to an inspection. The procedure described is very similar to a virtual inspection, so live streaming walkthrough of the facility and interviews can be conducted. Following the publication of the above guidance, FDA then updated its question and answer document, Manufacturing, Supply Chain and Drug and Biological Product Inspection during COVID-19 Publication Health Emergency, which explains some of the action to be taken when the agency cannot conduct an on-site inspection of the facility.